What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I am going to go over something that I wanted to do last year, didn't get a chance to do it, but we are going to go ahead and put it in this year. Well, install, put it in, whatever you want to say. Right here, we have garage door installation kit. All right. And it says do it yourself. So we are going to, for one, try to keep as much heat in here as possible during the winter time. And when it comes to the summertime, we are going to try to keep it cool. All right. How do you keep it cool? This is supposed to reflect the heat, you guys. So when the sun hits your garage door, this should be able to block some of those sun rays. And when the winter time comes, so the goal is to try to seal up the garage door. I did buy this last year, you guys. I bought this in June last year of 24. This is right now, we are in the end of February 25. All right. So basically, it's just been sitting here. I haven't had time to get to it, but now we are going to get into it. When I bought it, hopefully this is for a two-car garage. If not, I will have to buy another one. Hold up. It says it right here. Enough material to cover a standard 8 by 8. Woo, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble, you guys. I'm going to have to buy another one. All right. Or I might buy a different one just to see if there's a difference, you know. It may look tacky, but it is what it is, right? All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So it says 8 by 8. So that means, because I have a 20-foot or 16-foot door. So you guys, 8 by 8 is right here. Where's 8 foot? Okay, 8 foot. All right. So there goes my 8 by 8. 8 by 8 will cover the first two panels over here. So I will have to buy another set. I should have read that, right? My bad. All right. You guys, this year we are going to be focused on energy saving, energy saving, energy saving, energy saving. What is this? Stickies. Now we got stickies. So this is how you stick it on. So right here, got sticky pads right there. Or is it double-sided tape? Oh, so I first snap down, hold, hold. Oh, yep. All right. I'm holding it. Oh, no, no. Straight side through. I'll work. Pretty. All right, you guys. So we put the first one up. I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit closer. We have the first one here. Once again, they said it don't matter what side, whatever side you want to look at. Both of them the same. I think they was just trying to be funny. All right, so what I did was I matched it up. Now, if you want to have it flat, you can do that. Remember that you'll need to use your tape, and you will definitely have to make a cut. All right. But what I did was I made a fold right here. I folded it down, and then I tucked it underneath of the panel. So I fold it down, tuck it underneath of the panel. That way, when it pops back up or when it wants to pop up, it will be hitting the panel instead. All right. You see, you leave it like that, it stays right on. Now with this, same situation. You have to fold it. When you fold it, then you stuff it in. All right. Fold it. I'm pretty sure this is not how they intended for this to be done. But I'm doing it my way. So I'm folding it so it can stay right inside of the panel. And then I'm shoving it in. Same thing with here. I'm gonna shove it in. All right. So my only issue is this extra access that I have here. But to be honest, if it bothers you, then, go ahead and cut it however you want to cut it. But for me, I might just leave it alone. It's not really bothering me. When the door goes up, it's not going to get caught onto anything. When I get a second, I'm gonna get my temperature gun and then I'll test out what the temperature on here is compared to the temperature on the actual panel. All right, you guys, that's it. Now, if I need to tape it, I'll just go ahead. I might use blue tape. I don't think I'm gonna use the other tape. We'll see. We'll see how it works. I don't think I need tape though, because the garage doors is gonna go up, come back down. That's it. For the most part, it'll be here. Nothing can blow this down unless our garage door blow away. All right, so let me go ahead and look for my temperature gun, and then I will show y'all the difference between temperature when it comes to here and here. All right, you guys, got the temperature gun, and we are going to test out the integrity of this insulation. Let's go. So our regular panel is reading 59.4, okay? So 59.4. All right, now we're gonna go here. And we are $70. Wow, you guys, so there y'all go, 70. So you have 59.4, basically 60 here. And then we actually increased it by 10 degrees with this. That's pretty daggone good, you guys. That's not bad at all. All right. So there y'all go. Y'all see it firsthand. All right. And that will be it, you guys. Unfortunately, I don't have no more panels. And if y'all need to know anything else, let me know. And then I'll let y'all know through the comment section. And I forgot to mention, this is made in the USA. How many products have we reviewed on the channel that's made in the USA? All right. So shout out to y'all for that one. Made in the USA. All right. And it says it right here. All right. So y'all can see the proof. Do y'all see it? It says made in the USA. There y'all go. All right. Yeah, righty. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Please put in a like so we can battle this YouTube algorithm on pushing this video so people can see how to save on energy. I think I might want to put this in my attic. I'm gonna try to come up with something. I think I have an idea. So stay tuned to that. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.